Hi, my name is Jason, and this is Part-Time Films. In this video, I want to talk about some do-it-yourself LED lighting for photography or filmmaking. Lately, I discovered this great new product. Actually, it's probably not even new, but it's new to me. It's called an LED module. In the past, I used to use LED strip lights on my do-it-yourself projects when I was creating lights for store displays or my camera lights, and they worked out pretty well. Now, with the strip lights, if you want to create a shorter or smaller light, you actually have to clip the lights at the cut points. Then you've got to take tiny wires and solder those to the tiny little leads on these lights. Gets kind of messy and it's kind of time consuming. Now I found modules, LED modules. These are basically a self-contained light. You can cut one of these off the strand, hook it to a 9-volt battery, and it lights up. Or if you want to make an even longer strand, you can actually take 2 wire nuts and connect the 2 strands together. No soldering, no mess. Very easy. Another thing that I found is that the LED module lights are spaced a little bit closer together. This way you can fit even more lights in a smaller space. Now, both the strip lights and the LED modules come in cool or daylight, and then warm or tungsten, and both come in RGB. Another difference between the two is the LED strip lights. I used to get those for about 75 cents per linear foot, free shipping. The modules, they're looking anywhere between 60 cents and $1.50 per module. Now, if you buy the modules in bulk, say 50 or more, you can get a better price. The last thing is, both the strip lights and the modules that I've been buying in the past 4 years don't have that flicker like the old LEDs do. So you should be able to build a camera light or a studio light for relatively inexpensive cost. So I've been busy doing some do-it-yourself camera and studio lights, and I'm going to make a few videos about those, and they'll be posted in the near future. I also saw some of the more popular YouTube creators talking about some do-it-yourself LED lights, and I kind of copied what they were doing. I think the biggest thing right now is they're trying to sort of emulate the Aperture 120D with the mini light dome. I don't think these LEDs that we buy are going to come close to that, but you can make a decent studio light if you're just starting out for probably under $50. So that's it. This is going to be a short video. I just wanted to introduce you guys to those LED modules in case you haven't seen them yet. The strip lights are fine, but who wants to solder when all you got to do is wire nut? I mean, it's easy. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to see my next do-it-yourself videos, and we'll see you later. You want fries with that?